Okay, now point 8, making wish that to see Buddhas all the time. Sanje seji korben gombonam mesum tato daki gyalwata maung kalpa kundu michor teda lion chepa jachir ji.
第8个愿是希望时常见到佛。
May I always directly see the victorious ones, the protectors, surrounded by bodhisattvas, in future kalpas without tiring. May I make vast offerings to them.
经文：愿常面见诸如来及诸佛子众围绕，于彼皆兴广大供，尽未来劫无疲厌。
And in all my lifetimes, in the future, and that, yeah, physically you are still in the wish that you made before, yeah, that you physically participate in all infinite realms, yeah. You physically participate in all the realms, but realms are where Buddhas are visible. Buddhas visible. Buddhas there. Buddhas surrounded by the bodhisattvas. And you watch at them. It is not that Buddha somewhere but you are not meeting him. That you always see them, you always watch on them, you always could follow their activities. And not just watching the Buddhas, you wish that you could offer your assistance. You could offer them all the pure materials forever as much as that your offering is and the vast as a sky, yeah, and without exhausting.
发愿尽未来世，当我们生于无尽多的世界，时时刻刻可亲近佛菩萨及其眷属，以及可见到和跟随佛行事业。又愿自己也能帮助佛菩萨，做出无尽及广大的供养。
Okay, now point 9, you're making wish that you could hold the lineage of Buddha's teachings. Yawa namchi tambe chunzin ching changju chepa kundo namrache. Zangbo chepa nambra jangwa yang maung kalpa kundo chepra ji.
第9愿是发愿护持一切佛法。
May I retain the genuine Dharma of the victorious ones, and cause the appearance of awakened conduct, training in excellent conduct. May I act in this way throughout future kalpas.
经文：愿持诸佛微妙法，光显一切菩提行，究竟清净普贤道，尽未来劫常修习。
Okay. The teachings of Buddhas, the infinite Buddhas in all realms. I wish that I could memorize all. As I memorized, I could make that all sentient beings to understand the teachings of Buddha, that I could teach and make all sentient beings understand it. Yeah, as well as I make sentient beings to realize the wisdom part of the teachings, to make them realize the wisdom part of these teachings by purifying all the obstacles. And that I could do forever in all future times.
盼望得到一切佛的教法及意念无尽的教法，希望所有众生都能了解这些法教。我希望尽未来世都可清除一切众生的障碍，令他们证到智慧。
Okay. Now, point 10, making wish in order to achieve the treasures of the limitless qualities of Buddha, Bodhisattvas and Buddhas.
第10愿是发愿得到无尽福智。
When circling in all my existences, may I develop inexhaustible merit and wisdom, and become an inexhaustible treasury of methods, knowledge, samadhi, liberation, and virtues.
经文：我于一切诸有中，所修福智恒无尽，定会方便及解脱，获诸无尽功德藏。
Every realms of sentient beings, while you are participating to help the sentient beings, I always will constantly accumulate the wisdom and merits, limitless wisdom and limitless merit. That is, as a successful bodhisattva. Because of that, then I should achieve the great result as achieving the greater levels of bodhisattva, where you will attain the limitless skill of tact, helping all sentient beings. For instance, by doing small things and helping, bringing very great result to sentient beings.
作为一个成功和有成就的菩萨，我希望能生于每一个有众生的世界，不停地帮助这些众生，同时不断积集福德与智慧资粮。我希望可以得到很大的成就，在菩萨修行的果位慢慢升进，并得到善巧方便，例如做些很细小的事，都可以大力的利益众生。
This is the skill, skill of Bodhisattva when they are on the seventh bhumi, 8th bhumi, 9th bhumi, the limitless skills. Means tact, like methods, methods. Okay, that is depends on the wisdom. If you achieve the limitless wisdom, which can distinguish the all phenomena, then you will know what method is required for all sentient beings. And then the wisdom is also depends on the realization, the stability of the realization of your wisdom. So, skill and wisdom, and then realization. 3. Realization. Realization in Sanskrit you call samadhi. By achieving these 3 qualities, then you could break through the obscurations of negative emotions and obscuration of the obscuration of the dualistic, the smallest weak, dualistic you have on the 8th and 9th bhumis. So you will overcome of that dualism, then you will be fully enlightened. So here you are making wish for full enlightenment through by breaking through these 2 obscurations.
正如一些7、8、9地的菩萨，他们已经得到无尽善巧方便。如我能得到无尽多的智慧，这些智慧能帮助我分辨一切现象和一切法，我便能很清楚众生需要的是什么。智慧也取决于觉知的稳定性。如想得到善巧方便， 需要3样东西，是智慧、方便和觉知。觉知的梵文是 samadhi。得到这3样东西，便能断除一切烦恼障和所知障。例如一些第8地和第9地的菩萨还有微量的障碍。如果他们可以断除一切烦恼障和一切所知障时，便可得到圆满正觉。我们希望能断除这些障碍和得到圆满正觉。
Now the point 11. Point 11 has the point 11 has 8 subpoints, means different wishes. Yeah. Okay. Point 1. Duchi tingna dunyi shingnam te shingtar samji meshab sanje nam sanje sechi uyna jukba la changchu jeba jujing tawarji dedar malu tamji chosumya tatsam chunla tusum senyi ji sanje jasu shingnam jasu tang kaba jasur jujing rabdu ju. Here 8 verses for point number 1. Subpoint 1.
第11个愿分为8小愿。第1个小愿有8个颂。
In a single atom there are realms as numerous as all atoms, in those realms reside infinite Buddhas. In the midst of bodhisattvas beholding them, may I perform awakened conduct. Like that, in all directions on the breadth of just a hair. There are oceans of Buddhas, as many as in the 3 times, and oceans of realms. May I act and be engaged with them for oceans of kalpas.
经文：一尘中有陈树节，一一沙有南斯佛，一一佛处众会中，我见恒眼菩提行，普尽十方诸沙海，一一毛端三世海，佛海及与国土海，我便修行经解海。
Now here, the second, this at a smallest, on top of one smallest atom. Yeah? So you make a wish here that I could perform, or I could manifest it. I could manifesting all these infinite realms of Buddhas, where Buddhas and Bodhisattvas appeared. Yeah? On top of a smallest atom. Like in scientists, you can say maybe scientific words is like molecule or like that. The smallest one means that you cannot make two partitions. Yeah, the smallest one. So on top of the smallest one, I wish that I could manifesting the. I wish that I could manifest the universe of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Not the limitless universe is shrunk as small as atom, or the atom is enlarged as size of the universe. Yeah. When you overcome of the duality of small and big, then that's the nature. Yeah. On the ground of that theory, you are making wish that I could manifesting all the limitless universes, even on top of even on the space of a smallest atom. Yeah? That's also not crowded, not pushy crowded.
我们发愿在微尘内升起无尽多的佛土，每一佛土内均有佛和菩萨。微尘是如科学所讲的原子，是最细小即不能分割的单位，就在这魔细的微尘中，我升起无尽多的佛土。如何在微尘中升起这么多的宇宙？不是宇宙缩得很小放进微尘里，亦不是微尘放大的可放进这么多的宇宙和世界。当我们超越大小二元对立的概念，世界就是这样。在这基础上，我们发愿可以在一个微尘中升起无尽多的宇宙，而这些宇宙不是很破狭的。
Actually, all universes are vision of the sentient beings. vision is illusion. All these limitless realms are illusion of sentient beings. Therefore, it is not depends on any location. No need any location for that. This is just I'm explaining extra. Like you can have a whole dream of Hong Kong on your pillow, yeah? Same. So space is okay, enough. Same nature. Yeah, as naturally as it is. Now here, as you made wish that you could manifesting all the realms of the limitless realms of Buddhas on top of even as small atoms that existing to you. So now here, on top of each of these small atoms of all the universes, the same manifesting is there. So spread, yeah? It's a tact that you are using. Every moment of mind is for visioning Buddha and like that.
因所有这些宇宙都是由心升起的，都是虚妄的和不实在的。这些宇宙不是在某一特定的方位。举例，你能在梦中梦见整个香港。我们心里是有足够虚空令我们升起这些宇宙的。当你在微尘中升起无尽多的宇宙，进一步观想在无尽多的宇宙当中，更加是有无尽多的微尘，无尽多的每一微尘内有无尽多的世界。用这方法观想，可令你时常观想到佛和佛土。
So, all of them at one time, I could see it. Yeah, I could follow the activities of every Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. So, without missing one part. Okay. Like that also. Yeah. In this wording here, you use words ocean word. Yeah? I'm saying here, the Buddha's ocean. Buddha's like ocean. Ocean is a name of a number. Name of number. It is not ocean. It's a name of number. In the Sanskrit literature, it is name of number. The reason you give this label name for number is the uncountable number that you cannot be counted. Why? Scientifically they give this name. The most tiny atoms you have in the ocean. Water has the most tiny atoms. So ocean, water, so how many most tiny atoms? You cannot count it. So that's the theory. So many Buddhas in many realms, in many times, in the number of ocean means uncountable. Many like that. That means. So you make wish that you could follow the activities of all of these many.
我希望可在无尽多的微尘中的无尽多的佛国中，看到这么多的佛，跟随每一位佛，也令我可以见到每一位佛所做出的佛行和所有菩萨所做的善行。海是代表单位，海里有无尽多的原子。因为很小的原子也是在水里，令我们可想象到海洋里是有数不尽的原子，所以用海来形容大量，有无尽多的佛和无尽多的菩萨和无尽多的佛土。我们发愿跟随每一位佛，每一位菩萨在无尽的佛土当中。
Okay, now subpoint number 2 is here by 3 verses. gyawa kunya yang la namda pa rowa kunchi samba chi yang sanje sung la ta tun jubraji. Number 2 is that you could follow the speech of Buddhas, making wish that you could follow speech of Buddhas.
第二部分是希望听到佛的音声。
A single instance of a Buddha's speech is a voice endowed with oceans of qualities. It has the pure qualities of the melodic speech of the victorious ones, and is the melodic speech that accords with the inclinations of all beings. May I always be engaged with the Buddha's speech.
经文：一切如来语清净，一言具众音声海，随诸众生意乐音，一一流佛辩才海。
Yeah. Buddhas, like when Buddha's teaching, one words can be heard by all sentient beings in all their language. Yeah? You mean the power is limitless as described as this way. So the infinite Buddhas in all infinite realms, when they are teaching the infinite, the teachings of Buddhas, the teachings and meaning of the teachings, which comes in all the limitless languages, are that the speech of Buddha which I could follow. I wish that I could follow all and understand all.
佛说法时，能以一音而令所有众生明白，可令讲不同语言的众生都能了解到，这个佛的力是无量的。我发愿在无尽多的佛面前，在无尽的佛土里，可听到无尽多佛法，并了解佛法的深层意义。
Yeah, that making wish to follow the Buddha's speech. And now fourth is similar, but making wish to follow Buddha's the turning wheel of Dharma. Tusum shikba gyawa tamche ta kolo tsunam rabdu korwai. Teda kiyang sunyam mise la loyi topjin dachang rabdun ju.
我们希望听到佛转法轮。
May I be engaged through the power of my mind in the inexhaustible melodic speech of the victorious ones, appearing in the 3 times who turn the Dharma like a wheel.
第三部分的经文：三是一切诸如来，于彼无尽语言海，横转理趣妙法轮，我身智力普能入。
Buddhas in the past and present future of sentient beings. You know, past, present, future of sentient beings means past for sentient beings. Past, which is actually there is no any time is existing. Yeah, time is not exist as long as the nature-wise the time cannot be exist. But when sentient beings have an illusion as a form, then you have time. Yeah, physical form, then you have time. So the past, present, future time means limitless sentient beings have past, present, future times, have had. Yeah, they had past times, they're having present times, they will have future times. So it's limitless. Yeah, timeless. Time.
这里提及三是一切诸如来。其实时间本身是不实在的，但因众生的心有分别有虚妄，才有过去、现在与未来的分别。
And then, as the wish of the great bodhisattvas, when the old bodhisattvas enlightened, then they manifested as a Buddha to the sentient beings, and they taught them. Yeah, they taught them how to. When they teach, teaching means according their nature, whatever directions is suitable for their enlightenment. These are the teachings that presenting by Buddhas. Yeah. For example, to cure the sickness, the remedy is following the nature of the sickness, quality of the sickness. Actually, if you know the cause and quality of the sickness, then you will find the remedies. So remedy is following the nature of the sickness, as well as teaching comes according the nature of the sentient beings. Therefore, teaching of Buddha follows the nature of sentient beings. Therefore, effect of Buddha's teaching is limitless. So you make wish here that you could follow all these the methods of the Buddha's teachings to liberate all infinite sentient beings by knowing, by understanding the deepest part of the meanings included.
作为大菩萨，他们会发愿得到圆满正觉，得到后会成佛，成佛后会教化一切众生，并了解及依据众生的根器，给予适合的教化。例如医病，亦需要首先了解病情，知道病的原因，才能知道怎样医治这病。同样的，佛陀教化众生时，佛陀亦要先了解这些众生的根器，采用适当的方法教化他们。所以佛陀教化众生的效果是非常广大的，是无尽的。所以发愿希望明白最深的佛法，令自己像佛陀一样能明白一切众生后，给予最适当的教法。